Imagine landing your dream tech job without a college degree, without drowning in student debt, and without ever sitting through a single lecture. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, spoiler alert, it's not. Welcome to the era of self-taught success, where thousands are learning to code on their own and actually winning at it. For decades, college was the golden ticket. But tech is rewriting the rules. More and more companies are dropping degree requirements faster than you can say, "Hello, world." Because at the end of the day, it's your skills, not your diploma, that pay the bills. Yeah, that fancy cap doesn't debug your code for you. So, how do you become a self-taught coder and actually get hired? It all starts with choosing your language. Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, you pick one and dive in. Thanks to platforms like Free Code Camp, Codecademy, and countless YouTube tutorials, learning to code has never been more accessible. The barriers to entry have never been lower. You don't need expensive textbooks or fancy classrooms, just curiosity and a computer. Warning though, binge watching tutorials is now a sport. Just remember, watching isn't the same as doing. The moment you pause that video and actually write code yourself is when the real learning begins. It's like learning to swim. You can watch all the videos, but until you jump in the water, you won't really know what it feels like. The real magic happens when you start building your own projects. Think of your portfolio as your resume in code form. It's your way to prove to employers, hey, I can do this. And guess what? Even simple projects, like a to-do list app or a personal blog, show initiative and skill. Speaking of portfolios, coding is a show, don't tell kind of game. Build projects, no matter how small, and upload them to GitHub. It's basically your personal coding museum. And it's not just about having a few projects, but showing progress, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Hey, if you have to start somewhere, why not have a supportive audience? Another secret to leveling up. Join coding communities, Reddit, Discord, Stack Overflow. Ask questions, help others, and watch your skills skyrocket. Coding isn't a solo sport, it's a team game. Surround yourself with people who share your passion, and you'll find motivation, mentorship, and sometimes even your first job leads. And here's a crucial mindset shift. Coding isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing how to learn. Every bug is just a puzzle waiting for your brilliance. Embrace the struggle. Every error message is an opportunity to get smarter. Yes, you will stare at error messages like they're ancient hieroglyphics. But that's part of the journey. In fact, the best coders are often those who are comfortable with being uncomfortable. Now, the million-dollar question, how do you get hired without a traditional degree? It all comes down to your projects, your GitHub, and your problem-solving skills. Apply everywhere: startups, freelance gigs, internships, and be ready to prove your worth with real coding challenges. Employers care about what you can do, not just what you've studied. Pro tip, interview practice might feel awkward, but hey, you're totally normal. The more you practice, the more confident you become. And confidence can be just as important as skills. So whether you're a night owl teaching yourself Python from your bedroom, or a weekend warrior building apps between shifts, remember this. Coding success isn't about the classroom. It's about passion, persistence, and projects. College isn't the only path. Your keyboard is your classroom, your code, your diploma, and your future completely in your hands. Start today. Code your future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering tech on your own terms.